Hey, what's up, guys? It's Anthony with Layers, and today, let's go ahead and turn these regular glasses into sunglasses. Okay, now, I know you have to notice my lisp, guys. I do have a lisp. So I have a loose tooth back on the left side of my jaw, and oh my goodness. So it's kind of difficult to speak a little bit. So bear with me on that note, okay? So what we're going to do today is turn these regular glasses into sunglasses here, okay? Now, we do have this layer here of our model, and we have an overlay layer if we wish to use that. Now, the first things first, there's several ways we can tackle this. First, we can just jump in there by grabbing one of our selection tools, or we can use the pen tool. The pen tool is going to take a little bit longer, but it's 100% precise. So let's go ahead and go with our direct selection tool here, or the quick selection rather. Let's go ahead and make it just a little bit more quicker. So go ahead here, kind of dab around here. All right, so let's just see if it goes outside of the frame here. Let's go ahead and make our brush a little bit bigger. Hit Control and click and kind of drag it back over to where it kind of fills the area there. A couple more dabs on this side. Oops, went a little bit too far. Okay, so now what we do here is let's go ahead and go over to our adjustments here. Let's look for solid color. Let's go ahead and go with a darker color here. Go down to about medium gray, I guess. Hit OK. Okay, so you see the little spots we missed. Now what we can do is let's click on our color fill layer mask here. Hit E on the keyboard, select the eraser. I kind of dab this in just a little bit and get it just a little bit better. All right, so there we go. So let's go ahead and click our color fill layer here. Let's change our blending mode. Go from normal to, let's try multiply. I think multiply is good. And there we go, just that quick. Hit Control-0, center the frame here. Look at that, just that quick. That's amazing. So now only thing we have to do, let's double click on our solid color fill box here, and let's change it to a more of a kind of a deeper red here. Bam. So there we go. So a great use case for something like this, of course, is if you have a photo and everyone is wearing glasses, you know, the only thing you have to do is spice it up just a little bit. Go ahead and add a little bit of color, and that's it for that part right there. So if we wanted to get a little bit fancy, the only thing we have to do is just go ahead and grab our pattern here. Let's hit Control-J, that'll duplicate that there. Then let's move the duplicated up to the top. Turn the bottom one off, lock that. So now only thing we have to do, let's go ahead and select this. Let's make this a little bit smaller here. Control, grab one of the corners, maintain some proportions. Let's go ahead and angle this a tad bit as well. Okay, so now we got it to where I think that'll look pretty good. Maybe just a tad bit smaller though. Punch in just a little bit. Okay, I think that looks good. Now let's click in between our color fill layer and our pattern. Hit Control and then click here. There we go. So now we have some sort of fancy designer frames now. Of course, now only thing you have to do if you wanted to change the color of your pattern here, you can get even more fancy by double clicking your pattern here. It opens up your layer style, and then the only thing you have to do is hit it with a color overlay, or you can do a gradient overlay, whichever you choose to do. I think a darker color would be fine here. And then we're done. Control-0, put us back to square one, and that's it. That's it. So add a little bit of spice to your sunglasses. So everything you need to know is down in the box. And until next time, I'll see you in the next video.